The invisible threat. Most Americans believe danger comes with warning signs, sirens, red flags, obvious scams. But some of the most damaging financial traps in the United States arrive quietly, through a phone screen. No storefront, no face, no accountability. This is the dark reality of unregulated online loan schemes. A click away from help. It usually begins with urgency. A medical bill, a rent notice, a broken car. You search online for help, and within seconds, hundreds of offers appear. Instant approval. No credit check. Money in minutes. It feels modern, convenient, safe. But behind the screen, something far more dangerous is waiting. What are unregulated online loans? Unlike banks or credit unions, many online lenders operate outside strict federal oversight. They are not always registered. They are not always transparent. And they are not always legal. Some are based overseas. Others hide behind shell companies. To the borrower, they all look the same. Professional websites, friendly language, easy forms. Why regulation matters. Regulation exists for a reason. It limits interest rates, protects consumers, creates accountability. When regulation disappears, so do protections. Unregulated lenders can charge whatever they want, collect however they want, and disappear whenever they want. The application trap. The process feels harmless. Name, address, social security number, bank details. You submit everything. What you don't realize is that this data is often more valuable than the loan itself. When data becomes a weapon, some online loan schemes are not built to lend money. They are built to harvest information. Your personal data is sold, resold, and reused. Suddenly, spam calls explode. Scam emails increase. Fraud attempts follow. The loan was only the beginning. The interest rate nobody mentions. Many borrowers don't read the fine print. Others can't understand it. Interest rates can exceed 500%, sometimes more. Fees stack silently. Late penalties compound instantly. The loan grows faster. Then repayment is possible. Automatic withdrawals. Unregulated lenders often demand direct access to your bank account. Miss a payment, and money disappears without warning. Rent money vanishes. Grocery money disappears. Accounts go negative. The borrower loses control. The illusion of legality. Some lenders claim they are legal because they operate online. But legality is not about location. It's about compliance. Many of these operations exploit loopholes, tribal lending claims, or foreign jurisdictions. The result is the same. Borrowers have no protection. When borrowers fight back, victims often try to dispute charges. They call banks, file complaints, but without clear jurisdiction, cases stall. The lender ignores emails. Phone numbers stop working. Websites disappear overnight. Justice becomes unreachable. Psychological damage. Financial harm is only part of the story. Stress becomes constant. Sleep disappears. Anxiety becomes routine. Borrowers feel shame, isolation, fear. And because the lender is invisible, the pressure never feels personal, just endless. Debt collection without limits. Unregulated lenders are not bound by fair collection laws. Threats become aggressive. Calls become abusive. Emails turn frightening. Some borrowers report harassment at work, contacting family members, public shaming. All tactics meant to break resistance. Why these schemes target the vulnerable? These loans rarely target the wealthy. They target low-income workers, immigrants, students, people with damaged credit. Those with the fewest options become the easiest targets. The technology advantage. Automation allows lenders to operate at massive scale. Algorithms approve loans instantly. Bots send threats nonstop. Payments are extracted automatically. There is no human judgment, no mercy, no pause. Government awareness. Authorities are aware of these schemes. Investigations exist. Warnings are issued. But enforcement is slow. Technology moves faster than law. By the time one operation is shut down, another appears under a new name. Real stories, real losses. Thousands of Americans report losing thousands of dollars. Some lose entire paychecks repeatedly. Others lose bank access completely. The damage compounds silently. Why people still use them? Desperation does not wait for safety. It looks for speed. When survival is at stake, risk feels acceptable. That is what these schemes exploit. How legitimate online lending looks different. Not all online loans are scams, but legitimate lenders show clear signs. Transparent rates, clear customer service, legal registration, state compliance. Unregulated schemes hide everything. Warning signs everyone misses. Vague contact information. No physical address. Pressure to act immediately. Refusal to explain terms. These signs appear again and again. Breaking free. Escaping these loans requires action. Closing bank access. Documenting communication. Reporting to authorities. Seeking nonprofit assistance. It is difficult, but possible. Education is protection. Knowledge is the strongest defense. Understanding rights. Prevents exploitation. Knowing alternatives. Prevents desperation. The bigger picture. Unregulated online loans are not accidents. They are systems designed to profit from urgency, fear, and silence. Final reflection. Technology was meant to make life easier. But without oversight, it becomes a weapon. Convenience without protection is danger disguised as help. Advantages, 5 lines. Online loans offer fast access to cash during emergencies. They require minimal paperwork and approval time. They are accessible to people with poor credit. They operate 24/7 without physical visits. They can bridge short-term financial gaps when used responsibly. Disadvantages, 5 lines. Unregulated lenders charge extremely high interest rates. Borrowers face aggressive and illegal collection practices. Personal and financial data is often misused. Legal protection is minimal or non-existent. Many borrowers become trapped in long-term debt cycles.